To use Western Union to pay a bill, start by gathering the necessary information, including the biller's name, your account number, and the amount you want to pay. Next, find a Western Union location near you, either by visiting their website or using their mobile app. You can also pay online or by phone. But for in-person payments, visit the location and let the agent know you want to make a bill payment. Provide the agent with the biller's name and your account number, and specify the amount you want to pay. The agent will then guide you through the process, which typically involves filling out a form with your payment details. You will need to provide a valid government-issued ID and the payment amount, plus any applicable fees. Once the payment is processed, you will receive a receipt as proof of payment. Be sure to keep this receipt, as it may be required to confirm the payment with the biller. It's also a good idea to verify with the biller that the payment has been received and applied to your account. When using Western Union to pay a bill, be aware of any fees associated with the transaction. These fees vary depending on the payment method and location, so it's essential to ask about fees before making the payment. Additionally, make sure to only pay bills to authorized Western Union billers, and never send money to someone you don't know. To avoid any issues, double-check the payment details before completing the transaction, and ensure you have sufficient funds to cover the payment amount and any applicable fees. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Western Union to pay your bills quickly and securely.